Alright, part 2. I'm going to show you how to get the main lock mechanism out of an Aussie traveller door lock. So it's the same thing. Click, bottom, top catch out, lock the door so we can get the barrel out first. Screw out, gently push, barrel comes out. Bottom and top screw, outer and inner handle off. Top and bottom screw off. Some Aussie traveller doors, this has a rivet which you'll just have to drill out. Locking mechanism out. Now as you can see, there is 2 rods inside here. I'll get a close up of them. There's 2 rods inside the door, just here, and then also up there. And see how they're uneven? So what you do, if you get the new lock back in, to make them sit even, right up here, this top catch, if you push that in, it'll make those even. So what you do is you push that in and put a bit of tape across it so it holds it in, and then that way these 2 catches here will sit even, the same as the bottom ones. Alright, so let's do that. That one in. Bit of tape top, bit of tape bottom. Now the bottom catches and the top ones, I don't know if you can see that in there, will be sitting level. Alright, so once they're sitting even and even, now it's time to make this lock sit even and even. See how at the moment these 2 aren't even. So what we've got to do is inside here, this catch has got to be to the top. We'll push the screwdriver in here, click it up, and once you've pushed that catch up, you get a handle, click it so this lever is down. Alright, so this lever here is going to be down, so you just put a handle in there and click it so it's down, and that makes the top one's holes even and the bottom one holes even. Alright, so once you've got this level and level, it's time to put it in. So just make sure they're still sitting where they're supposed to be. The one with the biggest gap, whether it's this way or this way, always goes in first. So you slide it up, grab hold of the hooks, and then you slide it in, grab hold of the hooks. Hold your door lock in. Top, bottom screws. Like so. Now, before this goes back in, there's something to this that you've got to do before you slide this lock back in. Alright, I'll show you. Alright, so inside the lock, up the top there, it's the same button that we pushed in to slide the lock up. I don't know why it's not focusing. Focus. Yeah, so in there's a little button you got to push. This one, push it in, slide it down, all the way down. So it sits all the way down inside. Alright. Install the outer handle, inner handle. Remembering to make sure the handle's not down, because when you push it the other way, when the door's shut, you won't be able to. So handle up. Slide it on. Now before we put any of the lock on, we make sure it works. So you take the tape off top and bottom. Right, and then with the handle, you just make sure that it actually engages this one and the one at the bottom. That way you know that pin has lined up properly. And then also, when you come around this side, the lock for the screen door, you push a little handle and just make sure top, bottom and top is working correctly. And once you're happy with the lock working, you don't have to put the screws in just yet. Slide the lock in. Put the retaining screw in. Tight, tight, tight. Now we can put the door handle screws in. On the top. Right. Unlocked. Pin, locked. Alright, see it won't turn. We'll have that engaged, then engaged, lock.